So I'm going to show you how to do a weekly video meeting. And first you'll go to your Google Calendar, sign in, and you can pick a date to create this meeting. So I'm going to say today, create meeting, and then weekly conference call. And then I'm going to go down here and I'm going to repeat it weekly on Wednesday at 11 a.m. And then I'm going to add meet with Google Conference. You can add a guest. And then I'm going to save it. Go ahead and send that invitation. Got it. And then we can go back to our month and you'll see it pop up weekly at 11 a.m. So then to join that, you'll just click it and then click join with Google Meet. And it'll bring you to your Google Meet page where you can join the conference and video record yourself with someone else.